Hello everyone, Sean here from Crown Technologies. We help people reach their goals with the best clean power, air and water systems. Today, we're at our client Level Products in Germiston, Gauteng, Johannesburg. Quite a few things were going on here. The primary concern was the security continuity when grid would fail overnight. Now I'm going to let my client Brendan detail the problems of that quite a bit more because it's a very, very intricate scenario. But not only was load shedding a problem, but there were a lot of frequent grid failures on the municipal side. And unfortunately, the bad guys had twigged onto this. They would wait for the security alarm system light to disappear. And the moment that would happen, it would be free reign. The problem for the customer in this is the peace of mind and the security continuity when that would happen, especially on a weekend. This would drive the client absolutely bonkers when you're sitting at home and you're just not sure, is the security system at my office still running? So that was the biggest mandate that we were given to overcome. The second problem is the fact that it is a manufacturing facility. So whenever you do have load shedding, despite having a backup generator, you still have a break in productivity. And that's to say nothing of the wasted stock that is interrupted or that is lost at the time of interruption. So having a solar system has been a huge help in overcoming that scenario. And then the third problem is the running costs of the ad hoc backup system, which was a generator. Now, apart from the fact that every time you fire up a generator, it's literally guzzling money out of your back pocket, the generator itself was not big enough to compensate for the manufacturing process. Therefore, after significant detailed analysis of what we had with the customer's energy consumption and their bills, their costings, we had proposed to them a 60 kilowatt Fox ESS three-phase hybrid system with over 70 kilowatts in panels, glass on glass bifacial, and 80 kilowatt hours in high voltage lithium phosphate storage. This overcame all of the problems that the customer had. And one of the things that he'd mentioned to us earlier was the peace of mind and how you simply cannot put a price tag on that peace of mind. If there is a grid interruption or if there's load shedding or if there's cable theft, especially over weekends. So to summarize, problem number one, security continuity, especially over the weekend, problem solved. Problem number two, manufacturing continuity, making sure there's no wastage and getting the most out of our 9 to 5. Problem solved. Problem number three, overcoming our monthly overhead by literally turning sunshine into money, problem solved. It's been an absolute pleasure to help our customers over at Level Products thrive and help them reach their goals with the best clean power systems.